do you have a cluster like this, Camaro 98, at least in my case, so I'm going to show you how I did to replace the light bulb. So if you want to replace it with the LED light, all you have to do is just turn this anti-clockwise and then take this out. And then as you can see, this type of light bulb that you see here, these are great because the polarity doesn't matter. You can put it in one way or the other and it will work just fine. If you buy the regular light bulbs, you're going to have the issue that you're not going to be able to make it work, you know, at the first time. You have to plug it in, try it, maybe you have to you know, turn it the other way around to make it work. So if you are going to do this, the best way is remove the glass, and then you're going to be able to remove it the cluster very easily. Otherwise, you have to try, you know, put it, take it out, put it back in, or anything like that with the glass. The acrylic, it will be more difficult. Without it, you can do some testing, put it back, take it out very quickly, and that's it. So that is how you can do it. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, parts, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. So in this case, the light bulbs is $194. The light bulbs that I bought, as you can see, these light bulbs, the good thing is that they are you can plug it in one way or the other ones and it will work just fine. You don't have any issues. So this is the 194 for the Camaro, and I bought I think this one as well. As you can see, this is the other ones, and basically some of these light bulbs, you're going to have the issue that they're not reversible. So basically you will have to plug them in according to the polarity, but so that is why it's better if you can buy the right one and you don't have to, you know, do some testing. You just plug them in and they're ready to go. I'm going to leave you the link, so if you want to buy them, that is good. If you're outside the United States, you want me to send you some, just let me know. I can ship it to you worldwide.